Hello students, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss the third chapter again, and in previous video we have already discussed about the writer, theme and summary of this chapter, The Little Girl. And today we are going to move to the textual question and learning with the language. Hope you all have learned and studied the chapter very well. And now it's time to move to the questions. Now this is mandatory to write each and every question in your notebook. So take a look to this. Now the first part is thinking about the text. And the first question is match the following. Here you have given two columns, column number A and column number B, in which you have to match the appropriate sentence to each other. Let's see. Given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Match the emotion in column A with the item in column B. Now in column A, some emotions are given which relates to Kezia. Likewise, first one is fear or terror, second one is glad sense of relief, and third one is a funny feeling perhaps of understanding. Now you have to match the these sentences given in the column B and see that which are the sentences which triggered this feeling in Kezia. Now first one, the fear or terror. Now which are the line which trigger the feeling of fear and terror? First one, that is the first sentence in column B is father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss, and second one is noise of the carriage grown fainter, and third one is father comes home, fourth one is speaking to father, fifth one going to bed when alone at home, sixth one is father comfort her and falls asleep, and seventh is father stretches out on the sofa snoring. Now you have to match the following. Now first one is fear or terror. Now match that which are the sentence which appropriate to this situation. Now first one is first sentence is appropriate to this. The father come into her room to give her a goodbye kiss, and the sentence C. Sentence third, father comes home. This also triggers the fear of a feeling of fear and terror. Now the sentence number fourth, speaking to father. This also give Kezia a feeling of fear. Now sentence number fifth, going to bed alone home, and the last one, father stretches out on sofa snoring. These are the sentences which give Kezia a feeling of fear and terror. Now the second point is glad sense of relief. Now which is a line which gives this feeling in Kezia? It is the second option, noise of the carriage going fainter. This is the sentence, this is the situation which give her a feeling of glad sense and relief. Now the third one is a funny feeling perhaps of understanding. Now when she get to know this feeling, that feeling of understanding develop in Kezia. This is in this line, when father comforts her and falls asleep. This is the time when Kezia feel relieved and have understanding feeling for her father. Now coming to the second part, answer the following question in one or two sentences. Now question number 1 is, why was Kezia afraid of her father? Now this is the question, that why she was afraid of her father. Because she was not as loving as other father, and you can say he never played with her, and Kezia thought that her father was cruel person. She was terrified and afraid for him, just because he all the time scold her and try to improve her habits. That's why she feels that her father was not good and he was not a loving father. Okay, now in the second question, who were the people in Kezia's family? How many people were there in Kezia's family? As we have discussed in previous video that the family members of Kezia, there are 4 family members, and Kezia, her father, her mother, her grandmother, and the servants also. Okay, servants are also member of the family. These are the total member of Kezia's family. Now question number 3. What was Kezia's father routine before going to office and after coming back from his office? Third one is on Sunday. Now you have to tell that what are the routine of Kezia's father. Now in the first one, that before going to office, now what was his routine? He would come to Kezia's room and give her a goodbye kiss. This was the daily routine of Kezia's father when he goes to office. Now second one, after coming back from office, what was his routine? He just sit down in the drawing room and ask for the newspaper. Okay, and in the third one, on Sunday, what was the routine on Sunday? He would stretch himself out on the sofa in the drawing room. He would put his handkerchief on his face and his feet on the cushion. There he would sleep soundly and snore. This was the routine on Sunday of Kezia's father. Now move to the question number 4. In what way did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Now in question number 4, that what was the routine of Kezia, and as we know that Kezia always afraid of her father, and in what way grandmother encouraged her to build up a better bonding with her father. That on Sunday, but what happened, that she came to know that in next week there was a birthday of her father. That's why her grandmother encouraged her to make a pin cushion. Okay, pin cushion for her father for a birthday gift. In this way she tried to improve the relationship of father and daughter. Now coming to the third part, discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answer in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Now these are the long question. This is the short question in second part, and this is the long question part. In this there are 3 questions. Question number 1. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Now Kezia makes much efforts to please her father. She daily put on the shoes of her father, and she tried to speak to her father in very clear way, but she failed every time. And the last time, what she decided to make pin cushion, and she made a mistake. She made a big blunder. Now what was that blunder? That was she made a beautiful pin cushion of yellow silk. In order to stuff it, she tore some sheet of paper into small pieces, and unfortunately these sheets were the important speech of her father. And when the father came to know that Kezia had done, he was very angry. He hit her hand with a ruler. Now she was punished just because of touching the things of other without asking. Now the second question is, Kezia decide that there are different kind of father. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's father? Now in this question, Kezia was the girl who supposed that other fathers are different from her father. That the person, Mr. MacDonald, was very different from her father. How she felt that Mr. MacDonald was a loving father in her point of view. He loved to play with his children. The children felt very happy in his company, but Kezia's father was very different. He never played with her. He never talked to her softly. He always talked to her angrily. Thus Kezia came to feel that her father was very cruel. She saw in him the image of a butcher. Now She always felt that her father was not loving, not he was not emotional. That's why she felt that Mr. MacDonald, who played with his family members, his children, was a loving father. Now, the third question: how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who need her sympathy? Now, in the end, when her mother was hospitalized, at that time she came to know the real side of her father. She thinks that her father was a cruel person. She feared and avoided him. But the night when she was alone at home with her father, she had a nightmare. She saw a butcher is coming toward her, and she just cried for her grandmother. Her father came there. At the time, her father arrived there and picked her in his arm and took to his bed, and he asked her to rub his feet against his leg to get them warm. Suddenly, Kezia realized how good and loving her father was. She realized that her father had to work hard all the day. He became too tired to play with her. She lovingly placed her head on her father's chest. Now she realized that her father truly needed her sympathy. At that time, when she came to know her father's situation, that he worked all the day in the office, and now he came back in evening, and he has no strength to play with her. That's why she feels sympathized towards her father. Now there are some important question which we have discussed already, and I will give you the extra question related to this chapter. Just do this and make it clear. Okay, thank you.